One text layer becomes many thin slices. A mask shows only one strip at a time. A path moves the sliced text forward. Time offset delays each copy along that motion. Start with one bold text layer. Use the word stretch. Choose a heavy font. Center it on the canvas. Make the text large. Fill it with a different color. Now create the slice mask. Make the rectangle extremely thin. This mask shows only one strip of text. Use it as the text shape mask. Now only one thin slice is visible. Let's prepare the mask variation. Add the stagger on the y-axis. This will shift the mask for each copy. Set the vertical range. Group the text and mask setup. Now repeat the sliced group. Set the duplicator to point mode. Each copy shows another strip of the text. Set the final copy count. Let's draw the motion path. Start from the bottom. Then draw upward. Add a pathfinder. The path becomes the position controller. Connect the pathfinder to the text. Travel moves the text along that path. Travel goes from 0 to 99, never 100. Stopping before 100 prevents the jump back. Now offset the copies in time. Add the stagger to shape time offset. Each copy is delayed along the same path motion. The delayed copies create the wave. Smooth the travel animation. Use a Bezier easing curve. Stretch the handles for softer motion. Now the slices accelerate and settle. Hide the path guide. The guide disappears, but the movement stays. One sliced text layer becomes a delayed trail. Shape time offset delays each copy along the path. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.